Cheers, buddy.
Here. Day 3. There's the waterfall. There's the bypass. The knotted rope anchored up over there. I don't know if you can see that. And it goes on down there. Coming up the Phantom Creek bypass route. Pretty steep stuff.
Now where does it go, that way?
Yup. Up there at the fork, on a canyon to the right, up your Phantom to the left.
What we have here looks like are some either deer or sheep prints, and they were also maybe rutting up against this tree. That's what our years of experience tell us.
Top the Phantom Creek bypass, overlooking lower Phantom Creek.